Good morning students. We are going to discuss about continuation for unit 4. In this video we are going to discuss about intellectual property rights, that is IPR, and discrimination. First we are going to discuss about IPR, intellectual property rights. IPR will have wide range of socio-economic, technological and political impact. It is the information and original expression that derive its original value from creative ideas and is with a commercial value. Intellectual property permit people to have self-independence or self-governance or fully independent ownership for their innovation and creativity. This encourages the intellectual property owners towards their innovation and benefit to the society. Importance of intellectual property in India is well established almost at all levels, like administrative, judicial, statutory, etc. The agreement established by the World Trade Organization (WTO) and agreed by trade-related aspects of intellectual property system (TRIPS) was ratified by India in January 1995. This agreement has established some minimum standards for protection, thereby enforcing the IPR in member countries. Need for protection of intellectual property. It prevents other using it. It prevents using it for financial gain. It provides a strategy to generate steady income or stagnant income. It prevents plagiarism or mistake. Next we are going to discuss about types and norms. First one, patent. It is a contract between individual and the society. Patent protects legally the specific product from sold by others without the permission of patent holder. Type of patents: utility patent and industrial design patent. What is utility patent? It can be granted to anyone who invent or discover any new and useful process, machine, any manufacturing equipment. Utility time is 20 years. What is industrial design patent? It can be granted to anyone who invent a new or original design. Design patent has a term 14 years from the date of filing. Next one, copyright. It is very specific and exclusive right even for reproduction of an original work. This is for material, literacy, aesthetic material, music, film, sound recording, broadcasting, software and multimedia. This provides automatic right for protecting any original creation, which is not need for registration but with the limited time. There is no need to seek lawyer's help for settlement. Are you clear or not? Okay. So copyright gives protection to particular expression and not for the idea. Next one, trademark. Trademarks are word, sounds or symbol associated with goods or services. It means a registered design, or name used to identify a company's goods. It is used to indicate the public the origin of manufacture of the goods affixed with that mark. For example, Pepsi is a registered trademark in soft drinks, Thomson in electronic goods, Nestle in food products. Next one, trade secret. It means device or technique used by a company in manufacturing its product and kept a secret from other companies or the general public. What are trade secrets? Formulas, patents, methods, data compilation. So these are the secrets kept in confidential in order to gain a competitive advantage over competitor. Trade secrets cannot be registered like other intellectual property. Theft of trade secrets are legally considered as a crime. For example, formula for Fanta soft drink and the formula for making dress. Okay, so the formulas is one of the trade secret. Patent also one of the trade secret. Data compilation also trade secret. Last one, discrimination. What is discrimination? It can be interpreted in several ways. It means to make an unfair difference in one treatment of people. It also means giving preference on the basis of caste, sex, religion, language, etc. Another meaning of discrimination, morally unjustified treatment of people on random or irrelevant basis. This is one kind of reverse preferential treatment. What is the meaning of reverse preferential treatment? One who gives different treatment to equal standard of two different groups. I have discussed with one example of discrimination. In a large automobile company, a vacancy arises for the post of AGM, General Manager, Assistant General Manager. Generally, these positions are filled by the virtue of promotion from the existing senior within the company. As per the rule, the management has to make a review among the employees. The members find one suitable person who has lot of experience and training in the company. Unfortunately, the selected person does not belong to the community of the majority people of the company. This is a highlighting word. Selected person does not belong to the community of the majority people of the company. Management fears if the person is given appointment, there may be less employees cooperation for smooth running of the company. Management decided to promote and transfer another person who belongs to the same community of the majority from another plant. Why? Here discrimination is play a vital role. Discrimination means giving preference on the basis of sex, caste, religion, language, etc. Thank you for your attention.